For this Golden Week, I decided to go home to Manila and then go to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam for a family trip. Recently, when going to the airport, I've been taking the Han Hui line together with the Nang Khai line, which is the most cost-efficient way. A long, slow trip is also fun, especially when the weather is this nice. However, avoid the rush hour or else you'll be standing the whole time going to the airport. There's only one transfer point, which is here at Thematic, where I take the Nang Khai line. Sometimes the view from the driver's seat is much better than the view from the windows. After a little less than 2 hours, I'm already at Kansai Airport. Let's check in on our Jetstar flight to Manila. Today I'm flying by Jetstar Asia to Manila. The automatic baggage handling system is now operational. Before boarding, let's have a very heavy lunch at Wako for Tonkatsu. Actually, one of my favorite Japanese food is Tonkatsu. I try to avoid eating a lot of Tonkatsu because it's deep fried, but sometimes I give myself a break and have this wonderful dish. So delicious. Now I'm ready to go to our gate for our flight. I wanted to get something from the convenience store nearby the gate, but I didn't have any time because I already used so much time eating that tonkatsu. No regrets. I like flying with low-cost carriers because you can save some money, and I just use that money to stay at a really nice hotel or eat at a very nice restaurant. After a few months, I am back in Manila. Despite the news that it's hot in Manila, I never really felt it scorching hot. It was just right hot. Dad picked me up from the airport and we headed straight home. And I am home.
Hello po. Hello po. Miss mo ako? Hello. Mami. Nabito na yan. Ang ganda ng diner. Hello. Hello.
The last time I went home was in March, and before that in February. I've been going home a lot recently. And we had 2 new members of the family. The first agenda after going home was to install our security camera at home. And also to eat my mom's cooking.
Tirang ulam. Tirang ulam. And langka.
I love blue swimming crabs. They're so tasty and sweet. And we had minatamis na kamote for dessert.
Init sila.
I had a very chill first day in Manila, playing with our pets. The following day, I woke up with the smell of fried fish in the bedroom where I was sleeping. Breakfast was leftover caldereta, steamed swimming blue crabs, and galunggong fried. Of course, I only ate the blue swimming crabs.
Good morning, breakfast at home. Still sleepy.
After breakfast, we prepared to go to the airport for our afternoon flight going to Vietnam. Sad ka na, alis kami.
We're off to the airport.
I'm so excited for our Ho Chi Minh trip. Come join us in the next video as I share to you what happened during our first night in Vietnam.
Si Kuya daw magsasubscribe sa akin.
I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. If you want to see videos on travel, hotel, and food in Kyoto, Japan, and beyond, please subscribe. See you again and goodbye.